everyone, this is Catherine at Catherine's Granny Squares. You haven't seen me on here for a few weeks because life's just been so busy. What with Mother's Day, visitors, and then we've had the painter in. But you know, that's the way it is, isn't it? And here I am now. But I haven't stopped crocheting and I'm here to show you what I have been making. And I have finished the prayer shawl. This is a Bernat Prayer Shawl from Yarnspirations. And for this I used King Cole Cottonsoft candy yarn. It's quite a summery yarn. And it's not got a shade name, it's just got a colour number, so I shall pop that in the description box below. And I used a 5.5 crochet hook from the Quilted Bear. And I used 2 balls of yarn. I think I kept these. I'll just show you that again. I'm waiting for a nice summer event so I can wear that over a nice dress. So I'm really pleased with that. I know a lot of people have been asking about it. It only took about 2 weeks to make, and it is a nice pattern. I've also in the past made this shawl using the same pattern. This was made with Caron Simply Soft, but I did it 2-tone because I ran out of that beautiful colour. And I had that on last night. Because of the decorator, we've had to have the windows open and I got a little bit chilly, so of an evening I put that on and it was lovely and warm. So I'll just pop them up there. The other one I made, if you remember, for my sister was in the Caron Simply Soft in black because she wanted it for evening wear when she went on her holiday. So I've made 3 of those and I do recommend the pattern. You think, you know, you're getting nowhere and then all of a sudden you finished it. And as I say, that one took me about 2 weeks, just under the 2 weeks. The other thing I've been doing is baskets, and I've got them all here. I've gone basket mad. I shall show you them all. These ones were the first, well, this was the first one I made. You may have seen the short. Love the way it's gone into nice swirly pattern in there. And then I made another one, smaller version. So 2 of those. Made those. And I made a green one. This is actually Poundland yarn. And this one is a, I got it from a bargain bucket. It's a King Cole Acorn Aran, but I don't think you can get that anymore. But if you did want it, and maybe you know, sometimes you can pick up these yarns from bargain buckets. That's what it looks like. And I say that other one's Poundland yarn, and this one is from various yarns from my stash of scrap yarn. So I can't give you any indication what that one was made from. It's quite a solid one. This one was a Caron, and I shall put the exact name of that yarn in the description box below. So I've gone basket mad, absolutely basket mad. Pop them there. The other thing along the same lines as baskets is this little one. This is made from Jayda InStitches pattern, and it's a miniature spring basket. So it's more of a basket with a handle than those other ones, which are obviously flat baskets. And guess what yarn I have used for this? To show you here. It's Poundland yarn. Yes, it's Poundland yarn. And I've got another one on the go. So this, I've showed you the hook there rather than the basket. There we are. So this is a work in progress, this one. Still doing it. And the hook that you saw brief fly off there was another quilted bear, and it's a 4.5mm crochet hook. And as I say, I'm following Jayda InStitches pattern. The only thing I've done a bit differently is I've added one extra round and one extra round going up. But apart from that, it's exactly as she shows it. And if you haven't already spotted that basket pattern, do check it out, because it'd be great for Easter. That's what I'm thinking. Little baskets for the grandchildren, putting in little goodies. Oh yes, they're going to love it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little flower here. I'm just going to crochet a little flower so that each of the grandchildren know which one belongs to them, because there's 3 little girls, and I'm going to do them all in this, but then I'm going to do the little flowers, different colours, so they know which basket belongs to them, and fill them with the goodies. So I'm enjoying making them. So say Jayda InStitches is the one to follow that, and I'll put everything in the description box below. And the other thing I've been doing is some more of my Virus Shawl. So you see, though we've been doing, I've been busy with the life, should we say life, I haven't been idle with my crochet. I do like to crochet, especially of an evening when we're sitting watching the television. And there's been so many good things on for me at the moment. St. Bart's Hospital through time, that's the oldest hospital in this country. And there's been Call the Midwife. It's just been very good for me at the moment, the television. So this is the progress with the Virus Shawl. Like the Virus Shawl patterns, as you know, and I'm using a 5mm crochet hook, but using double knit yarn. This is King Cole Beaches. Has that got a colour? It's called Lazy Days. Lazy Days. So I'm on my first ball. I've got this one as well. I'm not sure how big I'll make it. I do vary the length of my Virus Shawls depending on how I feel. But yes, and if you want to make a Virus Shawl, don't forget, check out this channel, because there's videos on here how to make one from scratch. Love a Virus Shawl, as you all know. And the other thing I've been working on is some more of my Ripple Blanket. Looks quite nautical actually in these colours. Whoops, let's get there we go. I think it actually is this way up. Yes, it is, yeah. So, nice little ripple blanket there. And who am I following for that? It's from the Crochet Now magazine. Sorry about the crinkles. I got it in a bag down here. It's a bit crinkly. And it's called the Riverstone Ripple Baby Blanket. But of course, I'm doing nautical colours. And that's in the Crochet Now magazine. And I'll put everything in the description box below so that you can see where I've got that pattern from. But I'm only doing 2-tone. That's what I've decided to do. So I've done a bit of that. I've done a bit of my Virus Shawl. And I've been working on that prayer shawl. I really do love the prayer shawls. And I've gone mad on baskets, as you can see. Absolutely crazy on baskets. Loving them. And the pattern for these is just generic. I have got videos on the channel that show you how I make my baskets, but they are generic. Increase on the base, and then I do a little in the back loop only ridge, and then go up the sides with treble rows. And I finished this one off with crab stitch, but as I say, quite a generic pattern. So what are you working on? Are you making anything for Easter, for springtime? What yarn are you using? Are you now changing your yarn to a lighter yarn for the season? Let me know in the description. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll put everything about what I've talked about in the description box below. So I'll say bye for now and happy crocheting everywhere in the world. And I'll see you all soon. Bye for now. This is Catherine from Catherine's Granny Squares.